Okay, yeah, I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
Hey, that's not fair. You took me out. Try to take me out again? Whoa! Somebody took the cones out. Whoa! Hey, wait. Uh-oh, I lost everything. Yeah, arrêté. Oh, okay, just got again. Oh, now just stopped again. I don't know. Now it keeps cutting out. The adapter I made for the light was kind of junky, so I was losing power. And I lost power right after I hit that little bump there. So that makes sense. So now I'm good to go, but I lost a race. That means Bruno won the two race. So now it's going to be the two losers together that's going to have a last chance race to take the winner again. Let's get it on.